So I have here the Command small clear wire toggle hooks. I thought it was interesting the way it was packed. It was packed in this big package with this little hand out. And then all of this was in the plastic bag. 10 actual hooks and then 10 of the adhesives. So that was that. Kind of confused me, but in any case, these are very nice to hang things without drilling. These clear hooks, they definitely keep the look neat, and the size is just perfect. What we're going to use these for is my daughter likes to hang stuff on the side of her vanity. She likes to hook lightweight accessories like her bracelets and her necklaces. So these are truly damage free. Once you remove them, you just pull the strip straight down and it comes right off. I like the clear finish, so you focus on what's on it versus what you're actually hanging it with. And as I said, we're using this on a vanity with absolutely no damage, but you can use this on a painted wall, tile, glass, or finished wood. You know, I do usually wipe with a quick alcohol pad if I do put it on a wood surface before application. But there are 10 hooks, there are 10 adhesives. These small clear wire hooks, easy to organize, easy to keep things organized. And they definitely are cost effective, 10 hooks. I like to keep some on hand and just get the refill strips if we want to reuse these. But in any event, I highly recommend.